Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Walter here, and today we're going to be going over Module 5, Week 1, using the story Going Places, and I'm going to be going over the vocabulary words with you as well as your comprehension skill. Alright, let's get started. Your first word is exactly. When things are exactly alike, they are the same in every way. Next word is precise. Something that is precise is exact and correct. This little girl is using a measuring cup to help her with her cooking. She's using it because it has numbers on it that helps her get a precise measurement. The next word is peered. If you peered, you looked closely. These girls are using a microscope. They peered very closely into the microscope to look very closely at what is under it. Respond. Respond means you answer in some way. Look at the kids in the picture. They're trying to respond to what the teacher is asking. Next word is intent. Someone who is intent is set on doing something. And this cat definitely looks like he's intent on something. Maybe he sees a bug in the grass that he's trying to go after. Next word is contraption. A contraption is an object that looks strange and is very hard to use. Look at what he made. If you didn't make that, I bet it would be really hard to use. Really cool though. Next word is replica. A replica is an exact copy of something. There's a lot of replicas here. It's an exact copy. What do you think they used to get those cookies looking so perfect? A cookie cutter. That's a good way to get a replica. And the last word, boys and girls, is assured. If you assured someone, you promised something would happen. Has anyone ever made a promise to you? Then they assured you. Maybe this is the teacher that helped this college student. And he said, I can assure that you are making a good grade. And maybe he finally made that grade. They look really happy. Awesome. So those were our vocabulary words, boys and girls. And now we are going to be going over your comprehension skill. Our comprehension skill is asking and answering questions. When do we ask and answer questions? We do it before we read, during reading, and after reading. Why do we ask questions? Well, we ask questions to get information, to help you better understand the text, to practice being awake and thinking while you're reading, and also to be curious and wonder as you read. How do we answer questions? Boys and girls, we always ask questions by using our question stems. And our question stems are who, what, when, where, and why, and how. Here are some examples on how to do that. Who is the main character in the story? What is the character going to do at the end of the story? When did the story take place? How did the character feel? When is the character going to change? Why? Why did the story happen the way that it did? Look around in the text and pictures for evidence. Use details to help you answer your question. So, in order to find an answer in a story, we must first ask our questions. We have to ask ourselves, who, what, when, where, why, how, when we're reading. This was your comprehension skill today. I hope that you're going to use this skill, asking and answering questions, while you read the story, Going Places. All right, boys and girls, that concludes our video for today. I hope that you learned, and I hope that you continue to always love your reading and doing your best work. Have a wonderful day.